Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, DJ Tongue Marketing Software. In this video, I will guide you all. Way to be able is raising a Facebook account automatically according to the interactive just like a real user. This is the main software account, MGTK software. It will support. You are the unlimited manager of this account. Next, you will be able to set up. Install the configuration pieces. Automatic interactive script. Here as I set up. For example, the actions of reading this message. Surf this feed, like posts on your new feed or read stories. Surfing watch video. Watch that real video. In addition, the software will help you interact with friends interacting with specified UIDs. Group association interaction. And interact on the fan page. Then after you add them, scenarios and stages. For example, this is a script, interaction of day 1, and this is the interactive script of the 30th account. Day. This depends on the quality of the account and the stage of your account that you. It's going to be possible to install the right scripts with account, and then you save it. Your job every day is to, for all your Facebook accounts added to the software, run that script interactively. Select this script. Next, set up a few parameters. Configuration when running that software. Outside, software will support you can be automatic posting, comment automatically, or send a message automatically. Change account information, and unblock the account automatically. Those are the main features of the software. The software will help you to deploy. It could be advertising, mass marketing in large quantities. It's on Facebook. So now I'm going to start running. Nick farming features. Facebook automatically for you to imagine. You can see that the software will open Chrome tabs, and each Chrome tab will correspond to an account. You can have multiple accounts at the same time. This way you can feed hundreds of people, thousands of Facebook accounts automatically. If you are interested in software, you can contact me by Telegram. WhatsApp myself to below the description. Thank you for watching all the videos and see you later in the next video.